Student project A8 is going to create a map. So you want to make sure you click in the white area to make sure everything's unselected. Choose your little map icon, and that creates us a blank area. And then we can drag the various fields in there. So in this case, we're going to drag the country field into the locations area. We can drop the country field also in the legend area, so we can create a legend for each one of these countries. And then in order to change the size of the dots, we're going to simply drag the gross cells into the size area, which actually creates the size of the dots. So I can kind of move around and see those sizes of the dots. The larger the dots, the larger the data. Now if I use my roller on my mouse, I can roll in and zoom in on those areas. Or I can roll out and zoom out. You've got to use location fields, or you can use longitude and latitude type of records if you have those.